Hi, my name's Campbell Price and I'm the director of SphinxOrmus. You might have seen us now on TikTok. We've just started about 4 months ago and we've got a bit of a following. We work with energies and frequencies and we program gold water, raise its vibration, and it's proven to raise the aura, boost the aura by up to 30%, which increase manifestation, intuition, many health benefits. As you might already know, cancer sets in at 15 millivolts in the cells for electricity. When it gets to 50 millivolts, disease starts to set in. When you're running at 100, optimum, all 7 chakras, optimum health. But that's not the reason why I'm here to sell you guys my product. I'm here to do something much bigger. So my plan is to raise humanity's vibration, and I plan to form unity, collective consciousness amongst the whole world. So you might think this plan is big and bold, but I'm going to do it. And here's how I'm going to do it, and this is my idea, and I need you guys, the people of light, the people of love, the people of truth, the earth angels, the star seeds, the indigo children, all of you loving high vibrational people. I want you to come together and unite and form our new movement called Echo Field. And Echo Field, the name is formed through gematria, very powerful, formed with numbers, and it represents the number 9. As you know, Tesla 369, do some research. So yeah, Echo Field is going to be formed. What it is, it's going to be a mass worldwide meditation of love, forgiveness, kindness, caring, compassion, empathy, all the high vibrations. We're going to do this all synchronized throughout the world. There's 195 countries. The power of manifestation, collective consciousness. We've got sacred meridian ley line locations all around the world. I plan to research all of these, and we're going to calculate and form a ring. Here's a beautiful lake here, for example. We're going to form a ring of arms around these sacred meridian locations to form an electrical conduit. At 1111, the number of beginning, we're going to start meditating in bare feet on a full moon. You can hold your crystals, you can bring your singing bowls, we can have incense, we can have fires to ignite the energy. Also, what I plan to do is raise the vibration by having a hologram, this flower of life above the lake in the dark. So the flower of life will be up in the air above that whole lake, bringing us the seed of creation. On top of that, you might have studied us a little bit and you know how much we structure and program water. Dr. Masaru Emoto, it's pretty hard to pronounce, but he structured water, and he proved that it can be programmed to hexagonal high vibrational states from thoughts and words. So what we're going to do is we're going to program the lake. We're going to get 417 hertz, I think it is, the frequency of the Om, the sound of creation. We're going to get a massive speaker, we're going to get it rowed out into the middle of the lake, and we're going to thunder the sound of frequency, the sound of Om, and we're going to program the whole lake. This conduit's going to be formed from all the people and the synchronistic thoughts of high vibration, and that's going to program the lake. If you guys want to take Ormus, you're most welcome to, but I can't supply the whole world, so we're going to need to bring together everyone. I've contacted 19 Keys, he's got a gold water company, Billy Carson's Mass Power of Influence, a truth form of wisdom. I've just sent a letter to David Attenborough to let him know about our movement. He's got a media company, and he's had enough. He wants the world to unite and fix and heal this world. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise the vibration of the planet together in 195 countries on all these sacred meridian spots. We're going to form conduit. We're going to pump out the Om. We're going to have holograms in the air. We're going to have bare feet, full moon, dosed up on Ormus crystals. We're going to form love, and we're going to raise the vibration of the planet. And I need you guys to come together with me and unite. This idea is only 4 days old now. We need ambassadors in every country. There's multiple locations in every country, so this can get big. I've got 5 ambassadors already. I've got one in Western Australia. I've got one in Cyprus. I've got myself in New Zealand. We've got hundreds of people in New Zealand already united, ready to go. We've got someone in Ontario. We've got someone, a North American Cherokee Indian warrior of the land in Oklahoma. We're forming this and we're going to unite. I have to form the non-profit organisation for this. We're going to need people that are of the light to go on board for this. If 19 Keys, Billy Carsons and Dave in Edinburgh gets back to me, things will start moving quite quickly. This might take me a year, 10 months, a few years, but I'm going to work towards getting this sorted, and it's going to be for the benefit of humanity. It's going to be for the benefit of your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and Mother Earth is going to give back to us for doing it. We're going to move into the 5D with momentum, and I want you guys to help me. So if you're mass-powered influencers, people of the light, people of the truth, because you have to be of high vibration to join this movement, because we are the master manifestors, the people of high vibration. So this non-profit organisation is going to get formed, and people can donate. If we bring together 100 million people and people donate $1 or $1,000, we're going to form some serious funds. And I want to build orphanages for the disadvantaged children all around the world. I want to create a new civilization like Thoth, the Atlanteans, hybrid, advanced wisdom. I want to teach them to be masters of architecture, building, organic farming, permaculture, horticulture, self-belief, prioritizing, empowerment, organization, observation, communication. I want these little soldiers to be formed with yoga, martial arts. I want them to become super beings that formulate love, kindness, forgiveness, compassion, unity, that help one another, that boost their creativity into self-employment. I want them to build these gardens. I want them to landscape these orphanages. I want them to build the orphanages, paint them. I want them to learn all the facets of self-employment, taxes, so that they can become masters and create funds and generations for the generations to come. So if there's any funds left over, it's going to go into cleaning up the oceans, get all the plastics, the rivers, the jungles, the forests. We're going to clean up this planet. We're going to make it a better place. So if you guys are with me, share this video and look out in the coming weeks for Echo Field. We're going to have a couple of channels, and this non-profit organisation is going to get formed slowly. This is going to take a little bit of time over the next month or so. So I want you guys to unite. I want you guys to get excited, and I want you to bring all your powers together. If you're mass influencers, spread my video and unite with me, and let's do it. Let's heal this planet. Let's raise the vibration of everyone. Let's bring happiness, love and unity. Love you guys.